Paul Manafort faces the next decade in prison after a guilty verdict for multiple financial crimes. A jury convicted the former Trump campaign chairman on 8 charges, including tax and bank fraud not tied to the campaign. The judge declared a mistrial on 10 other counts. Paula Reid is outside the courthouse in Alexandria, Virginia. Paula, good morning.
Good morning. The jury could only reach a partial verdict, but this is still seen as a win for special counsel Robert Mueller and his team, especially after months of partisan attacks on their investigation's integrity.
Mr. Manafort is disappointed of not getting acquittals all the way through.
Paul Manafort's lawyer addressed reporters yesterday after the jury convicted his client on 8 of 18 criminal counts. They include 5 counts of filing false tax returns on tens of millions of dollars in political consulting income from Russian-backed Ukrainian officials. Manafort was also convicted of 2 bank fraud charges and 1 count of failing to report foreign bank accounts.
He is evaluating all of his options at this point.
Manafort could spend the rest of his life in prison. Sources close to the investigation tell CBS News he is banking on a presidential pardon. President Trump reacted to the verdict after landing in West Virginia.
It doesn't involve me, but I still feel, it's a very sad thing that happens. This has nothing to do with Russian collusion. This started as Russian collusion. This has absolutely nothing to do. This is a witch hunt, and it's a disgrace.
But Manafort faces another trial later this year in D.C. The charges in that case include conspiracy against the United States and acting as an unregistered foreign agent for Ukrainian interests. And Virginia Democratic Senator Mark Warner, a ranking member on the Senate Intelligence Committee, says that trial could link the Trump campaign to Russian interference in the 2016 election.
The question will be, as we move into this next trial, will Mr. Manafort start to cooperate with Mr. Mueller?
The special counsel's office has not publicly commented on the verdict, but they will be back here next week to announce whether they will retry Manafort on those 10 counts where the jury could not reach a decision. Norah?
All right, Paula, thank you so much.